The Journey Abroad, Overcoming Fears and Achieving Dreams. Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome to part 4 of our English Motivation series. Today's story is very special. It's about courage, determination, and the dream of mastering English. If you've ever felt unsure about your abilities or wondered if you could achieve your dreams, this story is for you. Let's dive in. Alex's background. Alex was a 24-year-old university graduate from a small village. He had big dreams of working in an international company, but there was one problem: his English was very basic. In his village, few people spoke English, and there were no classes nearby. Still, Alex was determined. He started by learning English on his own, using free apps and watching videos online. But he knew it wasn't enough. One day, Alex decided to take a bold step. He applied for a scholarship to study in an English-speaking country. Despite his fears, he worked hard on his application and got accepted to a program in Canada. 2. The challenge of moving abroad. When Alex arrived in Canada, everything felt overwhelming. People spoke so fast, and he often didn't understand what they were saying. He struggled to order food, ask for directions, or even introduce himself. He felt homesick and thought, what if I can't do this? What if I fail? But Alex remembered why he came: to learn, grow, and achieve his dreams. He decided to face every challenge head on. His strategy: immerse himself in English. Alex promised himself to speak English every day, no matter how hard it was. He started by saying hello to his classmates. He practiced ordering food in English, even if he felt nervous. Ask for help. Instead of staying silent when he didn't understand, Alex began asking questions. Can you repeat that, please? What does this word mean? Keep a positive mindset. Every day, Alex reminded himself, I'm here to learn. Mistakes are okay. 3. The breakthrough moment. One day, something amazing happened. Alex was in a coffee shop, and a stranger started a conversation with him. At first, Alex hesitated, but he decided to try. They talked about the weather, the city, and their favorite foods. It wasn't perfect, but it was Alex's first full conversation in English. 4. Alex's growth and success. Over time, Alex's English improved. He joined a local language exchange group where he practiced with native speakers. He started watching Canadian TV shows with subtitles, pausing to learn new words. He volunteered at a local community center, where he had to speak English with people from all walks of life. By the end of his program, Alex could give presentations, write essays, and have deep conversations in English. But his biggest achievement? He landed an internship at an international company in Canada, a step toward his dream job. 5. Lessons from Alex's journey. Alex's story teaches us some important lessons about learning English. A. Face your fears. It's okay to feel nervous. What matters is trying. Every small effort builds your confidence. B. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen, speak, read, and write every day. C. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask questions or admit when you don't understand. People are usually happy to help. D. Stay positive. Progress takes time. Celebrate your small wins and be kind to yourself. E. Practice in real life. Use English in everyday situations, whether it's ordering food, asking for directions, or talking to friends. 6. Tips and tricks for learning English abroad. Here are some tips Alex used, and some extra ones you can try. A. Make English fun. Watch movies, listen to music, or play games in English. Write your shopping list in English. B. Build a routine. Spend 15 minutes a day on new vocabulary. Practice speaking every morning. C. Find a community. Join local language exchange groups. Volunteer where you can speak English with others. D. Keep a journal. Write about your day in English. Track your progress and set weekly goals. E. Use technology. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or HelloTalk can help you practice. Use online dictionaries to learn new words. F. Challenge yourself. Give yourself tasks, like introducing yourself to someone new or reading an article in English. G. Be consistent. Learning is a habit. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Alex's story reminds us that with determination and consistency, anything is possible. Learning English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about believing in yourself and taking small steps every day. You don't have to go abroad to learn English. You can create your own English environment right where you are. If Alex can do it, so can you. Start today. Speak, listen, read, and write in English every day, and watch how your confidence grows. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more stories, tips, and motivation. Share this video with a friend who's learning English, they might need this inspiration. Follow me on social media for daily English practice ideas. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you're not just learning English, you're building your future.